At XFA, we believe that in the future, the only difference between devices used for work will be either preference or who paid for them, and not how they are secured. The world has changed. We don't work only in offices anymore, in networks, only on devices provided by IT. We work whenever we want, wherever we want, on devices that we prefer, that we already have, or that we even bought ourselves. For too long, complete security coverage of all devices used for work used to be limited by friction. Barriers like providing and shipping hardware, trips to IT, and loss of privacy. This is why we made XFA, the most pragmatic and privacy-respecting technology to make it possible to verify every device of anyone. Today, we are pushing our technology even further to make complete device security as attainable and frictionless as possible, bringing any device that's still in the shadows into the light. But first, let's take a look at what we've achieved in device security so far.
Research and our own data shows that the average worker uses 2 or more devices. Yet most solutions only secure one, leaving over 60% of devices unknown or ignored. And these devices aren't just invisible. They are on average 350 days out of date, almost a year without critical updates, in a world where new threats appear every few weeks. This is exactly why we built a platform that guides organizations from discovering every device used to work to giving coworkers personalized guidance on what needs to change and ultimately ensuring that only secure devices access business apps. We made onboarding effortless. All it requires is installing an app, no admin rights required, and the device can provide a verifiable proof of its security posture, all without requiring the user to give away control or needing to pass by IT support. Today, XFA is already securing thousands of devices across global organizations, keeping teams productive and their data secure. And the results speak for themselves, with organizations reducing their device risk with a factor of 6 in just the first 3 months after onboarding. As our customers put it, this gives them the confidence to embrace bring your own device and optimize how they work.
With XFA, organizations already moved beyond the friction of traditional solutions. Our unique agent can be installed by anyone on every device from anywhere without invading on their privacy. But we know that the requirement to install anything still raises questions and concerns about effort, device ownership, and legal duties. This challenge often causes organizations to delay adoption or limit the scope of their device security strategy, which leaves devices in the shadows. Today, that changes. Your device security light will shine further than ever before.
Introducing Agentless, an extension of our technology that requires no agent or app installation. By combining device signals and insights from XFA Discovery, Agentless can verify the security of a device and grant access based on information already available. Anyone using a phone or tablet for work especially benefits, since XFA Discovery often already knows about the critical security checks every organization wants to enforce, like OS version, whether a device is rooted or jailbroken, and whether a passcode is set. On desktop devices, anyone using work profiles on Chrome or Edge will be able to seamlessly share detailed security information about their device, powered by our partners' all-new device trust features, removing the need to install anything extra to verify their device. This innovation lowers effort across the device security strategy, and it makes it attainable for any organization. Even in complex situations where questions of ownership and legality are common, it removes barriers that once limited its scope. No installation, no effort, no concerns. Agentless ensures that every device is included, secured, and compliant. Nothing is left in the shadows. We've talked about the technology, but just as important is the experience for the people using it every day.
We believe the experience for the end user is essential to security. We obsess over every detail, over every piece of information we show, and over every action we require. The goal is always the same: to keep people as productive as possible while knowing they are secure. With the XFA agent, we already created a unique experience, enabling anyone, anywhere, to prove their preferred device is secure. Maximizing flexibility and minimal overhead is essential to make the strategy scalable and complete. Agentless pushes the limits far beyond what anyone thought possible, removing even the last bit of friction. Agentless sign-in instantly brings people to their work simply using the information that is already there. When a device requires change, our existing personalized experience still guides the users to make the needed changes. And it remains possible at any time to upgrade to the full XFA agent to enjoy even more benefits. It's security without friction, usability without compromise.
The release of Agentless is another step into removing all the barriers that keep organizations from enforcing strong and complete device security for every device and any user. We are making this available for all our customers today. If you're curious what XFA can do for your organization, feel free to contact our team. We're excited to see what you will achieve. Thanks for tuning in.